Hey, my sweeties. It's story time here at Grandma Faye's house. I've got a good one for you. So let's get to it. Hooray for Birds. Written by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine? Just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. See the swan? Look at the neck. Nice long neck. Can you stretch your neck? Oh, stretch that neck. Stretch up your neck. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Look at the egg. He laid an egg. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Twit, to-woo, woo, woo. Do you hear the owls in your neighborhood? Do you ever hear the owls say, woo, woo? They're saying good night. As the stories go, the end. Come back and see Grandma Faye tomorrow. And don't you dare forget, Grandma Faye loves you.